Friday, everybody. Good morning and welcome in. Welcome into another TTE live stream. We're going to be here streaming the New York session. Let's go, Ryan. Nightbot in the building. Kelvin, what's good, my man? What's good, Kelvin? What up, Chala? What up, everyone? Welcome, welcome. Let me share my screen. I think we're good. Yeah, good. All right, perfect. Perfect. What's good, LeGrand? How you feeling today, bro? Happy Friday. What up, Lily? How you guys doing? You guys ready to end the week strong here? Pixel Panda in the building. Bink, bink. What's up, Dropout Trader? Let's go, Buzz Blab. Wags, my man. My man, Wags. DT Gamer in the building. Let's go, DT Gamer. Gotta trade. Gotta trade, baby. All right, let's get the ball rolling. What am I missing here? What am I missing? Ooh, got some charts to go over here. What up, Fire Blaster? All right, I'm missing something. What is it? Chart. Boom. There it is. All right, perfect. All right, man, we're good to go. Let's lower the music a little bit and let's get the day started. How you guys feeling today? Hope you guys are doing good. Oh yeah, music? Yeah, we're lowered. What's up, Micah? What up, Mohammed? How you doing? Recording in process. Yeah, we're recording. And we are good to go. All right, all my 8-figure traders in the house today. What is good, everyone? Welcome back. It is Friday. It is the 12th of April. We're going to say a prayer real quick, and then we are going to go about our business here today. So let's pray real quick, and then we will rock and roll. Father, thank you that we can come here to pray, Lord. Thank you that we can glorify your name here. I pray that you would bless everyone on the stream today. It is Friday, Lord. We thank you that you love us every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Lord. We thank you that your presence is always with us, Lord. I pray a blessing over your people on this Friday as they move into the weekend. I pray that you would do miracles in their life, Lord. Let them know that you already know what they need. You already know, Lord. Let us not grow weary in doing what is right, but encourage us, Lord, that to know that in due season we shall reap these rewards, Father. We thank you. I thank you for pouring a blessing on your people here today, and we just give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 He's already got you, family. No need to worry. No need to worry. Life is good, right? Remember, gang, everything happens for you, not to you. Everything happens for you. Right? What I say yesterday, sometimes God's going to ruin your plans before your plans ruin you. Trust me, he knows exactly what you need. He's got you right where you're supposed to be here today. Amen? Amen. You can find rest in who he is. All right, let's do it. Let's rock and roll here today, chat. So today is Friday. It is the 12th day of April, and it is 7:06 a.m. here. Yeah, and let's see what we got going on here in the news today. Today is another day, right? Another opportunity for us to be disciplined, for us to be professionals, and not think like amateurs, not think like newbies, not trying to chase down money here today, but sitting patiently like a sniper in the high grass, waiting for our kill, waiting for our opportunity to come straight up to us. And that's when we execute as professionals. All right, so that's what we're going to do here today. Again, it is the 12th day here of April, and there's really not much going on in the news until later on today. So this is going to be 10 a.m. The prelims come in, and that's it. That's it. Otherwise, we're pretty clean through NY Open. We're also pretty clean through the new 4-hour candle at 9, and then we just got to kind of keep our heads up for this at 10 a.m. But other than that, that's it. That's it. So not much happening in the news here today. Nice low-key Friday. We should have some nice price action. Let's go ahead and open up the charts here, do a quick breakdown. All right. Holy, yeah, real price, really nice price action here. Really nice price action. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis and see what we got going on. As you guys could see, this monthly candle just ended up ripping. Yesterday, I think, is where we really got going here. Yeah, wow. Okay, let's break it down. So we're obviously in the all-time highs here. Let's talk about the monthly since we got time here today, man. Damn. Wow. What up, Louis G? Yeah, damn. All right, you're witnessing history. Let me grab my tools and we'll do a top-down analysis. All good, all good. Let's move this over here. And let's talk about this, man, because sheesh, we are up in these all-time highs here, chat. So let's backtrack on the monthly time frame just so we kind of see what's really happened here. Like, literally, price was just staying right below this range for like 3 years. 3 years, right? We came up here. This was our first kind of break of the all-time highs, and price kind of broke it and then immediately began to drive down. And we would talk about this all last year, right? And we would come up to these highs, and you know, you would get another rejection from the highs as well, and then just drive right back down, you know, like right back down again. And then this time is where price said, nah, man, nah, like I'm not going any lower than these ranges right here. So we kind of came up again, rejected, never really broke, each high never broke the previous one, right? So they all stayed below, but they continued to reject and move down, right, and give you a nice push after the rejection. But not here, man, not in this case. We created support, right? We had a support right here. We came down into that zone. This candle closed with no bottom wick. We rejected that area, and we have been literally flying ever since, right? Finally got a candle to close above here, which was this one right here, and price was off to the races, right? Created that new high, came down, created the smallest little support ever, and then just blast off, right? So it's been pretty crazy here over the last couple months on gold, as we've been kind of just pushing up, rallying up, and just continuing to break all-time highs, right? So that's a little bit about, you know, what we had going on for the monthly for quite some time. Let's go ahead and see what this weekly candle is looking like, right? We know we talked about this yesterday, about the range that we had here. You had support here, you had resistance, you had this candle close above, fill the wick, new support, and just gone, right? We were hoping to potentially see some sort of a move back down here, right? But what do we see, right? That's not what we see. So we can hope all we want, but we have to trade what we see, right? So this candle closed with no top wick. I was expecting maybe, just maybe, this is where we would get the push down, especially with Wednesday's bearish closure, but nope. Gold said nope. I'm just continuing to run up here. So we have created a bottom wick. We have, you know, obviously broke the highs. These are the all-time highs. We've got nothing to the left-hand side to base anything off of, right? So it gets a bit sketchy towards taking buys up here. Let's go ahead and see what the daily looks like. So sheesh, gang, this daily ended up closing strong bullish yesterday. Wow. Right? We would expect after this candle broke the lows, came down, created, you know, a resistance for price to potentially come down, I mean, and tap into that zone right there, but no bueno, right? No can do for gold. So gold's just continuing to rally. You've got no top, no bottom wick on this current candle, so that's pretty interesting. We may come back down. Let's see what the 4 hour hasn't given us any signs of slowing up at all here just yet. You're just, I mean, look at this, just blast off, man. Blast off, no bottom wicks, just running, right? This is a really strong candle here too, so we will see, you know, we will see. I guess we're bullish, right? We're clearly bullish on the 4 hour, but not much we could do up here. So this is going to be a big closure. You know, we got this closure here at 9 a.m. Let's see if price does want to start coming down at all. If the 4 hour has kind of moved up, never broke the high there. Let's see the 1 hour. 1 hour has this support sitting right here. Also has a resistance right here, and that's kind of like your range. Let's go see what these wicks represent on the 30. Looks like a new support. So boom. So we've got price trapped. It's ranging currently right now. Let's measure the range here. This range is 50 pips. Let's take a look at the 15. 15's got the same exact range, and yeah, I think we need some closures, right? Some closures outside of these ranges here. See where we can go. You've got clean candles coming down to the left. If price does decide to move bearish on this 4-hour candle here, that's your low right there on the 4-hour. So I think if you do get a closure below, and it's during NY Open or somewhere during the high volume time, then I think we could potentially look for sells here. Even though we're so bearish, we're bullish on gold, right? Trust me, I'm bullish on gold. But between 8 and 9 today, I might be bearish here, right? If we can re-break that 4-hour low, I may expect price to come down, close bearish here today on the 4-hour, right? And then potentially give us another bearish 4-hour candle later. So that's it. Otherwise, buys, I can't really do nothing with the buys. Can't do anything with the buys. If this closure doesn't happen during high volume, then I don't want it, because what can easily happen is price can do a fake out, right? Price can do a fake out right here and then close bullish back in the range, and look, now your buys are playing out, right? Because now the 4-hour may be ready to go back up, and we're also very bullish, at the end of the day on the daily and the 4-hour here. So that's where I would look to take my buys, right here, right here, boom. Because if you wait for buys up here, there's no target, right? So this is the only way I would take buys here today, is if we can get some sort of a fake out down here, and then track the move back up, to retest in that 50 pip zone there. So that's it for me. I wanna say technically we need to wait for range 2s here, because we are bullish, right? So I am gonna wait for a range 2 here on the 15-minute time frame before taking sells on gold here, and if not, I'm gonna look for that potential fake out for buys to move back up to move a price action here. So range 2 sells below, or a fake out, whatever we can get there. But other than that, clean range coming down, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. That's all we could do here. All we could do. So that is the day. Looks like you had some action here. This was really nice. I don't know what time this was, but 2 a.m., 2:30. Yeah, nice. Anybody take this celery play? Who took the celery? Yeah, other than that, gang, I'm not really interested in buys, because there's nowhere to buy to. Right? And as much as I want to take sells here so bad, right, I also have to respect my plan here and make sure according to my plan, right, if the 4-hour is bullish and the daily's bullish, then I need to wait for a range 2. So as bad as I would like to pull the trigger here on sells in this clean range, I'm going to need that range 2 here. Yeah, and if we do get a fake out, then that's where I'll execute on a buy. Oh, nice. You took it? Took it? Beautiful. 30-minute before London. Yeah. Yep. What's good, energy? What's good? What's good? Yeah, you got to respect the plan at all times. So the plan calls for range 2. It'll be off the 15-minute, but got to respect the plan. Ali Reza in the building. What up, AV Mike? If price keeps pushing up with a good setup, today be a flip. Let's say 9 a.m. It could be. It could be. Yeah, we'd have to see, like, it would be hard to tell whether the entry would be the flip or not until, like, we actually get what we're looking for. But, yeah, there could be a flip entry. Flip of the daily you talking about? Or a flip of, like, a 30-minute candle or whatever. Joe Stu in the house. Let's go. W. W. Let's go, Joey Stu. Yeah, we're coming down here. Let's see if we take the 4-hour low out here. 12 minutes left on the 15. Still a lot of time on this hourly candle, though. Joey Cookie. Joe Stu, how was the gym today? How'd we do? How'd we do at the gym today? Bright and early. Holy, what up, Stephen B? It was good. Took the trade pre-London. Nice, Joseph. Nice, nice. Hey, thanks, brother. Yeah, playbook, man. Playbook. All right, look at this. So we're taking out, we're re-breaking our own 4-hour low. We never broke the high there either. So this is good. This is a good sign. Let's go. All right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ here too, and then we have analysis on both pairs. All right, let's take a look. So taking a look at the weekly time frame here. So there's still, actually, let's go to the monthly, right? Because we know we've been on this bullish rally here for quite a few months, right? Since November, actually really since like January of 23, right? But we began our second leg up here in November. There's been a ton of bullish volume here in the NASDAQ. Still haven't had a bearish closure just yet. And what do we know about NASDAQ? Same thing as gold. We're sitting up here in like outer space right now. Like chat, like this is a crazy time to be trading both of these pairs. They're both literally in their all-time highs, which is nuts. It really is. So let's go to the weekly though, because I know we did get some bearish confirmations on the weekly. This candle kind of, you know, we've been ranging for a bit, right? Let me just kind of get my tools here. Been ranging a little bit. You got a support here. You've got a resistance here. You're just kind of chopping around. You have a new support, right? This candle kind of tapped into that support. This one actually did it as well, but you see how there's no follow through? See how there's no follow through on this candle, which we are monitoring currently in our sample sized database, right? It didn't fulfill the move, right? It should have, a strong bearish candle would have done something like this, right? So remember, this is something that we're looking at, observing, sample sizing day by day, is that this candle had already came down, did what it needed to do. This candle, if we see this bearish candle here, we would expect, if you have a strong bearish candle following this guy, it should do this, right? Not reject and be bullish with 9 hours and 38 minutes left of it, right? It should be looking something like this with a potential closure below ranges and all that good stuff. So notice how this candle's all bark, no bite, came down, never broke the low, came back up now, and it's actually bullish, right? So we'll see, right? That candle looking like it's going to reject and continue moving up to create a new support potentially here. So let's look at the daily. Daily did close bullish yesterday. We are in this nasty choppy area though, right? You see how there's a lot of just small candles in this zone. So we're not in the best place either. Remember, this is like your all-time highs, right? So you've been kind of hit the all-time highs and just been like chopping around a bit. So like price is a bit exhausted if you ask me from the bullish run. But the daily is bullish. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour did close bearish here, but we got no bottom wick. So I'm looking at this zone right here, just you know, once I see this, and I'm thinking, okay, maybe, just maybe, we can get a potential fake out here, right? If this candle has no bottom wick, this candle has no top wick, then we could potentially get a fake out on the next candle moving, next 4-hour candle. So what we want to see is, are we going to close below right? And if we are, then there may be entries on the break of the lows, but it has to break the low, because if we don't break the low, then price could simply just move up on this next 4-hour candle and close back in the range like this, even giving that other candle a top wick, right? So let's go ahead and see what this low looks like on the 30-minute, 15-minute time frame and how everything looks down there. 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour, same deal, same level of resistance here. No top wick on this candle. We did close below on the 1 hour and 30-minute time frame here, but let's see if this 4-hour candle wants to pull back now. So you got, actually you do look pretty solid here on the 15, 30, and 1 hour time frame to continue down. Yeah, the only sketchy part here is no bottom wick and very little to no top wick, and not the greatest resistance, right? Last resistance is way up here now. The one before that's up here, so you may get a resistance here, like a celery play, and then I think sells would actually be pretty valid. Yeah, if you get like a celery play, then take sells to come down. Something like this. Because you got a clean move, right? You got a clean move ahead of you there. So what time is it? It is, yeah, 30-minute candles are closing in 6 minutes. So yeah, we'll have to keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on it. So yeah, so you got clean move coming down all the way down towards these levels right here. You may run into a little bit of an issue somewhere here as well, just being that is pretty strong like area here, right? You see this very strong level here. So we'll see what happens. You may even get a pullback. If you can get a pullback and then close below, that'd be even better, right? If you can get something like this where price kind of moves up, gives a new resistance up here, then take sells, right? Because now you got a new support to retest, and you also have a wick to fill, and you get an entry up here, right, versus right here. So I think that's the best move. All you need is some like little bit of a fake out or resistance formed up there, and then take the onion moving down. Very similar to yesterday's trade. So yeah, that's it, chat. That's the day. That is the day. We got gold, we got NASDAQ, and we're good. We're good. Hey, shout out to all the new people here today. W for all the new people. Welcome in, welcome in. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't liked the stream yet, do me a favor, give the stream a like. Give the stream a like. Notice how yesterday, hey chat, yesterday was looking like a no trade day almost, right? It was, the time was ticking and we were almost ready to go. But you know, that's the thing about a trader, right? Like sometimes you're gonna wait. We waited what, 3 hours, right, for a 1 minute trade for what, 60 pips in less than 2 minutes, you know, and that's how your session is going to go sometime. And that's why we talk about waiting and being disciplined and all that stuff, because, you know, as a trader, you're kind of like a sniper, right? You just got, it was almost like our eye was on the scope the whole morning, just following price on the way up and just nailing it, right? Once we got that confirmation that we needed, right? Once the temperature was right and the wind was right and the target was in sight, boom, you know. So like, that's the type of trader I am. That's the type of trader I aspire to be too, because the guys that I learned from, they trade very similar to that. And yeah, so it's so cool to just kind of wait there, wait for your plan. The buys were so choppy yesterday, right? It was very difficult to take buys during the time that we were watching that, because it was just choppy, man. Like, where was that? Yeah, eventually everything panned out right here, right? I could not do it, man. You guys heard me. I'm like, I just can't. Like, I just can't take a buy here, right? It's just too much chop, too much nastiness right here. Not consolidation, but resistances. All we were waiting for yesterday, was this guy right here. Once this guy popped off or popped up, that was all we needed, right? all we needed. We were really looking to see if we can get that here, right? Because we were kind of looking in these ranges, see if we can get it here. Nice closure back below to go down. We were trying to get it here, waiting for it here, waiting for it here, but it never seemed to pop. But once it did, you know, we seen it, we recognized it, we were aware of it, and execution was made. So W for all you guys for practicing patience yesterday, because we really did practice patience, and we didn't settle. I'm not saying the buys weren't good, right? The buys did look good on the 1 hour time frame for sure, but it wasn't something that I was gonna settle for, you know. So shout out to all you guys who you know, just don't settle, right? You're the master negotiator in this deal here. It's either your deal or no deal. Either your deal or no deal. You ever go to the car dealership? All of a sudden you walk out with a car, you turn to your spouse and you go, how the hell we get this car? Like, we just got sold. You got sold, G. You got schmoozed. Right? The market is designed to lure you in and take you for everything you've got. So you have to stand firm on your positions, right? You have to stand firm on your playbook, on your system. Otherwise, it will eat you up, spit you out, broke and mentally insane. Don't play with it. Yeah, man, you don't want to get hustled out here. Your deal or no deal. Right? We could have been waiting. We could have been waiting all those hours yesterday, chat, and then the candle closed like this. Or let me use this one. Candle closed like this. No bottom wick. I would have called it. No deal. No deal. Right? And that's the thing. Sometimes you're going to be waiting, and price isn't going to give you what you want. And my question for you is, are you going to get swindled? Are you going to get hustled in? Are you going to chase the move? Are you going to chase the dollars? Or are you going to stick to your system? Right? Because professionals are system-based. They're not money-focused. Right? They focus on system. They're over here, and all they're doing is focusing on their playbook. Right? Where the amateur trader's over here, and all he or she wants is money. So he or she chases and chases and chases, and the money keeps running and running and running. And guess where it runs to? The guy who loves, or the girl who loves the system. That's how it goes. That's how it is. What's up, Alfonso? I watched the Les Brown video. It's possible. It was so good. You saying my deal or no deal reminded me of the video. There you go. Yep. Les Brown. Selling below. I'm waiting for NY open, or I'm waiting for this range 2 here. If this thing drives, it could drive all at once. Yeah, these are decent sells here, chat. You've already broke the 4-hour low, but it's not my deal, because this is where I'm also anticipating if there's going to be a fake out, it could happen here, right? So you don't want to sell this, right, on the 30 and then look back in an hour and say, damn, you know, I sold the bottom wick on the 4-hour, right? Like if the 4-hour candle's like this, you don't want to sell it there, because we are bullish, right? And this 4-hour candle could do this. And this right here, this little wick can represent a little fake out on the lower time frame. And what I mean by fake out is the closure back up, right? And then the move back up. Yeah, but if it's a part of your plan, go ahead and do it. I already told you guys, I'd love to sell right here. We broke the 4-hour lows. Man, I would love to. I would love to do it, but my system doesn't call for that, right? So my system, I need a range 2 below here because I don't want to be faked out. Not that I'm saying there will be a fake out. So if it is part of your plan, let it rip. Because this thing could drive, right? This thing could drive now, right? After breaking that low, you also have a break of the new low here. We can come all the way down. Decision's yours. You guys like, I'm in the cells. Good stuff. Yeah, good stuff. It doesn't look bad. It does not look bad. Got 10 notifications on gold or Telegram to sell gold here. Do it. Do it. Ten notifications on Telegram. My question though, what is your system notifying you to do? What's your system notifying you? Can you check charts for stream? Yes, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Charts for stream. All right, let's go. So what is this here? We got gold buys during London session. Let's take a look. Price move bullish. Price 4 hour left. Nice. 15-minute came down. Made support. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, perfect. Perfect trade. You're bullish. You came down. You created support. You broke buy stops on the break of the previous high. Stop sitting below there. TP1. Yeah, nice job. Lovely trade. Lovely trade. What was this? This was when? When did this happen? What time was that? Oh, that was the... okay, that was the 30 celery. Oh, nice. Yeah. So that was a little bit before London Open. Gotcha. W. Great trade. Let's look at AJ's trade here too. AJ, okay, this is gold, 30-minute time frame, 4-hour wick fill. Oh, let's start with one. Previous day closed bullish. Previous 4-hour closed bearish. Okay. 30-minute celery. Oh, nice. This is celery play. Took the buy on the break of the high. Perfect. Move stops to be at 14 pips. Close 80%. Nice. Beautiful trade. Yeah, that was the trade of the day so far there. The pre-London trade. W. So this was the same trade as that one, only on a different time frame. Solid. It's good to see everyone taking those trades. What do we got here? 4-hour close below support. Okay. Nice, nice. Yeah, nice trade. This is pound yen. Yeah, beautiful. Daily highs, break of the lows. I probably wouldn't have taken this trade, to be honest, just because there was no wick here. But the idea is perfect. Yeah, this is probably one that I would have just let go. But yeah, beautiful. BEA beautiful. Close partials here. Yeah, close partials there. Yeah, nice job. Lovely. Great work. Good work, good work. Amazing. Yeah, I think that was the play of the day so far. Right here. Yeah, most of the time, chat too, if you do get a range too, you pretty much end up getting the same entry. So don't have any FOMO here if your system is not calling for a sell here. Because if you do get that range too, a lot of times you're gonna get the same very similar entry. Let's say even one more candle goes down, right? And then you do get that support to form, something like this, right? Move up, now you got yourself the new range. Once you get a resistance to form here, most of the time, watch this. See this entry right here? Most of the time, it's going to line up with the entry you would have taken anyway. right? So never have FOMO. Always follow the system, right? Because then you can take your sells right here and you have much better confirmation on this ridiculously bullish day on the 4-hour and daily time frame. 1 hour still open, by the way, with no top wick. So I just joined. Any trades taken? Not yet, Anna, not yet. What up, Scott? Good morning, bro. How you doing? Hey, shout out to Scott, man. Great. By the way, guys, every single day or every single trade we take will be pretty much all documented here in the trade of the day channel. So if you come to our Discord here, you have the trade of the day right here. Scott does an amazing job at really giving you guys the backstory of things and then kind of filling you in on how this trade came about, you know, how it began to develop and the mentality and the mindset behind all that. So if you guys, these are things that I used to go in Raja's Slack and read these. These helped me out so much coming up. So if you guys want to understand these trades a little bit better, you can go into this trade of the day channel and study some trades that we've taken, right? There's a bunch in here that you can go in there and study and begin to understand, right, why we do what we do. Yeah. Beautifully broken down. Yeah, I mean, shout out to Scott. I mean, come on. I mean, that's a lot of effort. You know, that's a lot of effort to really getting this explained and so that way, you know, get it across clearly so people can understand, comprehend, and then most importantly, learn from it. So yeah, shout out to Scott for doing these for us. But yeah, you guys can join our free Discord as well. If you guys do want to send us charts to go over, you can send them right here where AJ and right in this charts for stream channel, and we'll be more than happy to take a look at your charts. Oh, would you look at that? It was probably enough for you to get some profit, right? Yeah. Yeah, hope you guys took some profits on there. You may pull back, you know, the 1 hour candle, no top wick, still kind of wicking out of this range. And again, this is where I am expecting a potential fake out here. So yeah, good work, Scott. Good work. And the main thing is understanding like the mentality behind it. I think Scott does a really good job at giving that, you know, and putting that off and the mindset behind these things. Will's got skills in the house. What's good? What's up, Andrew? What's good, brother? What up, PM Magnifico? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Pablo in the house. What up, Pablo? What up, Josh Jess? Who else we got here today? We got Purpose in the house. We got all the mods in the house, I believe, today. Top of the morning, J4 Trades. What's good, what's good? Will's got the skills, boy. Will's got the skills. He's got the skills. What up, Swifty? What trading strategy do I use? TTE. I'm sure you heard of SMC and ICT and SRC and ABC, DFG, EFG, FVG, HIJK, elemental P. But we trade TTE. Mixed with that Eagle 4000. Yo, mixed with that Eagle 4000. A little bit of Eagle 4000 thrown in there. Boom, boom, bada bing, bada boom. Hit them with some, that's it. It's a wrap. The EYES? Yeah. EYES. That's what we trade. That's the only indicator we use. Chicken fingers in the yard. Holy. Got that Wagyu beef set up, right? Mixed with GOD. Amen. Covered by it. Covered by it. PhD. Pizza Hut delivery. I actually never heard that one. Yeah, we also do have we have many strategies, man. We got the barcode strategy. We got it all. We got it all. Which one do you guys want? We got indicators too. I like your trading style. Hey, I like you. I like your typing style. You see that? He comes in here. He says, hey, man. Appreciate you. I really like your trading style. What a great guy. The trolling strategy? Yeah, we like to troll.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Yo, you guys are funny. The cookie strategy. How you doing? Joe's selling that cookie strategy, chat. You guys really want to get down with the get down? Type of how you doing in the chat for Joe.
How you doing?
As we await for this fake out here. $199 a month for the cookie strategy. You don't know about that. Joe's DMs are going wild right now. All right, chat. Potential fake out here. So we got 14 minutes left for the NY Open. Gonna wait on that here. See if we can get this candle to close back in the range like we have drawn out and anticipated. And if not, then if we do close below, I'll just wait for a new resistance here and then potentially look to take sells. So it's a big candle closure here. Just gotta have some patience and wait for it to close up. While you wait, enjoy yourself a nice crumble cookie. Where is the Eagle 4000? I don't know, man. They ran away. It's like they were knocking doors and they finally got someone to answer, and then they're just like, do you pay an electric bill? No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Trading for crumble. Do I not take this on the 15-minute? I don't take this on the 15-minute, and the reason is because I have NY Open coming in 15 minutes. So I'd much rather wait for the stronger confirmation at the 1 hour, 30-minute closure versus with volume about to come in versus just the 15-minute, where there's still kind of a lag on volume for another 15 minutes. So yeah, it just makes a little bit more sense to hang tight and wait on the 30 closure for me. For me. Yeah, it's just a little bit more confirmation too, because there's no guarantee that the 30 is going to close back, right? Because this could begin the range 2 on the 15-minute, right? So range 2 here would be if this candle now closes bear, NY open is most likely going to rip down. Right? And that would also mean that the 30 didn't close above, the 1 hour closed below, right? And then you got volume coming in with clean candles to the left. So I think the 15 in this situation is not the ideal entry time frame. CFDB, man. What does the name stand for? I like you, bro. If you change your name, you got to make sure you're like, yo, my old name was CFDB, just in case. Yeah, how long have you been pulling up to the stream? You're semi new here, right? Or am I tripping? What times do I prefer trading? This time. Right around this time, from like 8 a.m. to about 11 a.m. Eastern. Did I say I was waiting for a fake out? Yes. Yeah, I won't know if we have a fake out until the 30 closes here. If that 30 closes above the range, then we got ourselves a fake out. There you go, Scott. Let's go. Way to punch today in the face. That's how you wake up and punch today in the face, man. Some of you guys are dealing with a lot of stuff here today. Just own it, man. Own it. No one's coming to save you, right? No situation's just going to turn around on its own. It's going to be up to you. You know, it's going to be up to you to create a system to punch today in the face every day. Win the day, my mentor would say. Win the day. Win the day. All you got to do, if you want to be successful in the next year, win the day. Win it. Win it every day for the next 365 days. Relentless. Exactly. Oh, Carlos Felipe. Hey, Carlos Felipe. I'm going to remember that. Remember it. Carlos Felipe. Kids off to school. Hey, nice. W day for your kids. Tell your kids on the way out, hey, kids, go win the day. Show them a fired up mom, a fired up dad. Go win the day, son. Go win the day, little one. Encourage your classmates today. Try and find the best in others. Hey, Stephen B claiming 10 million. Woo, he wrote the check. He wrote the check. Now it's time to cash it, brother. Now it's time to cash it, Stephen B. Tell the kids to win the day, baby. Some of y'all got kids like me. Some of you guys have kids that are a little bit older, already in school. I'm encouraging you to encourage them. Don't just toss them out. Don't just... The waffle pops out the toaster oven. Just beam it right at his head. Have a great day, son. Give him a little pep talk in the morning. Tell him how proud you are of them. You know, let them know like how grateful you are to have them and to go out and be positive, encourage people, and win the freaking day. Win the day. Tell them you're a winner. Kids want to come learn how to trade? Let's go. Why not? I'm going to teach my kids to trade. I'm going to just teach them in kid form. Alea is almost ready. Probably when she's like 4, maybe 5. Probably 5. She's almost there. Right now I'm working on her mentality without her knowing. Her mindset. Her belief system. Right? What she filters her thoughts through. I'm in control of it right now. I miss Eggos. Yeah, I miss getting dinged in the head with an Eggo on the way out to school. Gold getting ready to fly. Gold's getting ready to fly, chat. How was she on the bike? She's loving the bike. Actually, yesterday, unfortunately, we had like downpour here almost all day. So we couldn't get out on the bike, but I had her riding it like in the little backyard, just kind of like getting the hang of it. So yeah, we'll take her out today. Imagine learning this back when you were young. Oh yeah, man. Imagine your mom and dad encouraged you every day, told you how much of a winner you were, how proud they were of you, told you that you can do anything you put your mind to, you could accomplish it. Could you imagine where you'd be today? You have that opportunity to set your kids up and set their belief structure up in that way. And that's something that's so important to me. Personally, I'm big on that. So next gen, man, next generation is a powerful generation. God's gonna move in them like you've never seen God move before. It's gonna be just insane. Insane. You wanna know why? Because people are getting it. People are beginning to understand. The adults are beginning to understand. All right, time to glitch the matrix, friends. DXY is reversing. Let's take a look at the Dixie. Yep, moving down. Gold 1 hour pulling back here. Big closure here. Big closure. Let's go. W. Make my first income ecom. Nice. Ecom. Hey, yo, I don't think I sent the link. Did I send the link out? Yo. My bad. Sheesh. Sorry, Zoomers. Coming in hot right now. See, I knew I was forgetting something this morning. Time to glitch. What about the Telegram messages? 10 Telegram messages told me to sell gold. Yeah, man. That's why I said, what's your system? What notification is your system giving you? Not the 10 guys that, you have no idea who they are behind the words that they send in the chat. You never seen them. You never heard from them. You don't even know what they look like. You don't even know their voice. And you're going to make a business investment based off of, because every single trade you take is a business investment, chat, right? Some of you guys are really playing with this game, and you're never going to make it with that type of mentality, right? So you got to understand, you need to do the due diligence. It's on you, right? To do the research, to collect the data, to understand the data, to add the numbers on the data, to see what's gonna work and what's not, right? It's up to you. This is a business, chat. This isn't a casino booth. The Matrix. All right. Eagle 4000 is alerting me currently to potentially look to take a buy position. So let's see if we can take a buy here and have a great fun day today. Do. Yeah. Let's see. Probably gonna end up using current candle stops too for this next trade. Probably gonna size down a little and just see if we can use current candle stops. The 4,000. The indication is going. We definitely want to see this candle leave a wick here, by the way. Yeah, we don't really have a target outside of these highs here. Other than that, there's nothing to the left. So let's see what happens. John is here. Good morning, young man. What's the deal, Johnny boy?
Yo,
How you
what's
feeling?
goody? Feeling amazing, bro. How you feeling?
Great, man.
Go. 8 a.m. here. Ring the bell.
Ring the bell. Let's see if we get a bottom wick. If we do get a bottom wick, I'm gonna have a buy stop here on gold.
It looks super clean.
All right, there it is. Buy stops here on gold.
Looks super clean. Hey, yo, chat, just another trade. What's up, chat? Good morning. How you guys doing today?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Just another trade. Could be a winner.
Another
could
trade.
be a loser. We'll see. But that
Random
Eagle,
outcome.
That Eagle 4000 is calling us in.
Hey, we got to be disciplined to get in on our edge and disciplined to stay out of our edge. So just another trade. Our edge has presented itself. We got to execute. Right, Nick? Random outcome to this trade. All we know is that if we take this trade over a series of trades, right, probabilities are in our favor.
Bingo. That should ease you. That should settle you down here a little bit, chat. What John just said. Your job is done.
Our job's done.
This trade completely random. But what did you say? Over a series of trades, we have
probabilities will be in our favor over a series of trades.
There you go.
Yeah.
I digs it.
And if you're feeling, sorry.
No, I said I dig it.
Yes, sir. If you're feeling stressed, just loosen up, take a deep breath. All right, understand it's part of the game, right? Yo, it's good chat. What up, Ryan? Sandman? It's good. It's good. What's up, AB Mike? Miko? Yeah, need to break these highs here. It's good. It's good, Buzzblab. C Melly, what up, brother? Z Gamer, Scott, Legrand, what's good? Yeah, let's see what gold wants to do here. Looks pretty solid though, right? We got our playbook set up on the 30-minute, 4-hour and daily bullish, right? So we got clean candles to the left, looking good. The trend was bullish, right? Price action made a high, and now we pulled back to form support. Looks like an exhaustion wick too, so we got a good chance here, driving up.
Yes, sir.
What's up, Wags?
Wags. Yeah, my stop is going to be the current candle low here. Current candle low. If we come down further, may have to adjust the stop, but as of right now, that's the stop. There she is. The Gem Master. Let's go. And keep in mind, if this candle closes back below, that's your range too, right? So if you close now back below this support, then you got your sells ready to play out. Yep, but until then, we're good. We're good on bottom.
Yeah, man.
We don't have much room, but we got room. About 50 pips.
It's good enough range for me.
Ooh, 15 pack? Yeah, 15 pack. Buying is risky? Yeah, buying's risky, selling's risky, it's all risky. One hour looking bearish? Yep.
Yeah.
The thing with the 1 hour too though is you don't have no top wick here. Right, so you may come up.
Yeah, and the 1 hour currently may be bearish, but the 4 hour and daily are both bullish, and right, the 4 hour daily are both stronger than the 1 hour.
And the 30 and the 15.
Yeah.
Mods on Zoom today? I'm down if you guys want to pull up. Who wants to pull up on Zoom today?
Pull up bonus.
We also have a little giveaway today. We're giving away an account tier. Let's go. Let's go, Stephen B. All right, we're re-breaking the low now here. So yeah, this could potentially be our range too as well. So that's what we're looking at. Remember, we're open. We don't care which way price wants to go. We just want our idea to play out, right? So in order to take sells below here, we need a range 2 breakout. This candle closure in 8 minutes will tell whether or not we have that. As of right now, we have a fake out from a 30-minute perspective, right? So that's what we're basing off of. But if this 15 closes below, then yes, we will switch this bias.
Yeah, we don't want to lead price anywhere, right? We just want to follow it. We just want to follow where price is going, take the clues, take the information it gives us, and follow it to our advantage.
That's it. Who wants to come on Zoom and hang out? Who's pulling up today?
Yeah, someone pull up. It's Friday. I'm trying to chat.
I'm trying to chat. Trying to chat.
I'll let a kid.
Let's go, Lewis. Lewis A in the building.
What's up, Lewis?
Lewis A.
Lewis A.
Yanosh, how was your birthday? Big happy birthday. Shout out to Yanosh.
Happy birthday, Inosh.
How was it?
Hey, man, I wouldn't mind sells either, man. Get as far away from those all-time highs as possible.
Thanks. Yeah, this I may delete this pretty soon here. It's a big closure. We still got 7 minutes for the close. It's fire birthday. Let's go.
Hey, that's all I like to hear, man.
Let's go.
This will be really fire if we break the highs now with the 15 pack for sure.
NASDAQ. Uh-oh, AB Mike's PC's quaking.
No.
Don't do it to him.
Feds.
Feds.
That was nice on NAS. Really want to see a pullback on NAS, so nice that we got it.
Yeah, we want to see how NASDAQ reacts right here. Right, so far we've been rejecting.
Yo, what's up, Purpose?
Purpose. You know what they said. Nah, AB Mike never quake. That boy don't quake.
Maybe Mike's a G.
I asked the Quakers to send me over the resume and that I would potentially be open to funding them because, hey, look, I wanna multiply my income too, right? So if the Quakers trade so good, you know, I gave them the email, but I didn't get any emails. Would have potentially throw them some cash. Throw some cash at
Damn.
him.
Should have emailed my brother.
Tell
Come
him,
on.
bring me back my money.
Good morning, Xander. Good morning, Energy.
All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna delete this here, chat. Gonna wait for the 15 closure here. Let's see what happens with the close. Yeah, 4 minutes. 4 minutes pumping down. Let me go, let me delete. So deleting my buy stop here for now. Deleting the buy stops for now and gonna regroup here. So remember, we did not want to take this sell, right? Because we didn't want to get faked out. The fake out did happen. The only way we will take sells here is if we get a range 2 breakout, which we are starting to get that range 2 breakout if this candle closes below the support right here, right? So if this candle can pull back, close below support, then I think we've broken the 4-hour lows about 4 or 5 times at this point, and you should be good to continue down. Yeah, you broke the low here, broke it again, came back up, and now you're coming back down here. So big closure here on the 15 minute. Yo, what up, Ben? Ben Teasy in the house. What's good, Ben? Am I a Quaker? I don't think you're a Quaker. Darwer. Yeah, I don't think you're a Quaker. What's up? How'd we get to 24? Yeah, how'd we get to 2,400, man? Sheesh.
24?
2,400.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Like, when did that happen?
When Joe Biden got in office, dude.
Where have I been?
Ever since Biden got in office.
Papa Trump
weird.
Sink the price of gold back down, I think.
Facts, bro.
Markets humbled you this week. That's all good. Sometimes the markets are going to humble you, and that's just part of the game.
Yeah, they're going to make you a humble trader.
Well, back up we go here. Back up we go. We may have a 15 celery too. Got 1 minute.
We have 820 coming up here too in a little bit.
Yeah, you may have the pack here on the 15 and then 15 celery, but it all depends on the closure here. Big closure. I think I would rather use that range I had earlier, which was right here. Gold don't know what to do. What to do, where to go. Who's got gold bars? How many of you guys have invested into physical gold? Alright, so it looks like we're closing below there. Potentially, yeah. So if you can come up and make a top wick now, then I may have a sell stop here. What time is it? 8:15. Yeah, we need a top. I need a top wick though.
What do you want to do, Goldie?
What do you want to do? Can we get something steeper? I need something steeper here, gold. Need something steeper here, gold. One more pop. All right, chat. I'm gonna have a sell stop here on gold. Will we go down, or will we just continue to fake out? Up and down, up and down. TK's in the house. What up, TK? So in order for me to take sells below here, I needed a range 2. We've got our range 2 here. You got your breakout. You're creating your top wick. If you break that low, you should be able to push through. We've got volume. We do have some wicks right here that I'm not most satisfied with, but we do have volume. We do have a range too, and we also have clean traffic to the left-hand side. What up, TK? How you doing?
Yeah, I didn't like the wicks below there.
Yeah, if you guys don't
Either.
like the wicks, don't take this. I'm willing to take this at a smaller size here, risking like almost 5% with this clean candle. But we may kind of just range here, just like we ranged up here. We may start a new range now. Yeah, you do have 820 coming in too, so will the buys play out still though? Everything still looks good on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, honestly, everything still looks good on the 30. I might delete. I think I'm gonna delete this actually and see how the 30 closes, because if the 30 does close above, then we got a 30-minute celery, and we're bullish, right? We're bullish on the higher time frame. If it closed below, you got yourself a 15-minute celery. But with these wicks here, I think this 30 closure may give us a better direction.
Facts, bro.
Yeah, I think so. I think
I
that
agree.
makes way more sense. Yeah. If you guys have the original buy stops, those are still valid based off of this 30 here. 30's coming back up now.
Yeah, that's a good example too on like when to use the 15-minute and when not to. You know, like use it obviously with times of volume, but look to the 30 when the
Yeah.
you know, choppiness going on.
Yeah, I dig that. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense here, because you are just kind of ranging now on the 15, and 30's still moving back up here. So although we broke 15 lows, we never broke 30 lows or anything like that. Yeah, I dig that. Yeah, I don't have these buy stops anymore, but they are pretty valid. You just gotta you know, pick what stop you want and stick with it. Yeah, 30's gonna anytime for me, 30's gonna hold more of a confirmation than the 15. You want to understand and learn how to use the 15 to like tiptoe around these high volume times, but the 30's obviously gonna hold more power, and you do have 820 coming up here, so you may get this push like right now. If we break the highs at 820, it's gonna go.
Yeah. Need to break those highs though.
You're gonna get a little bit of volume here in either direction. 1 minute chart. Yeah. Anytime it's hard, right, to kind of understand, is it going up, is it going down? You just want to chill for another few minutes and wait for a candle to close. Like right now, where it's like buys look good, but sells look good, you know, like, and you're a little confused, that's where you want to wait for candles to close. So I guess we'll wait here, or I'll wait for the 30 closure, and then we'll see where we're at. Yeah, me choosing to wait is also me choosing to let this move go, right? If it does break up, it's okay, because I'm choosing now to wait, and vice versa, right? If the 15 idea plays out, I'm choosing it now, right? I'm agreeing with it right now that it's fine if it leaves without me.
Word. That's what train's about. Good stuff.
Yeah. Stops are also getting massive for both positions. Both directions. TK, how you doing, buddy? Oh, yes, I heard that rumor too. Yeah, there should be another A+ setup later on today, or even on Monday.
Yeah, it's facts.
That's a good point.
Great point.
I never thought of it like that, TK.
What's up, Daniel?
Richard Lewis got the word of the day from Proverbs 21. The plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as the haste leads to poverty. Be diligent, my friends. Be diligent. Here we go, back up. What are we gonna do? If you break the high,
Up
chat,
to you, Gold.
you're probably gone.
Gotta break that high.
Some of the chat's in there right now with their hand on the buy position. Boom. Boom, there it is. There's the break of the high here. So let's see if the first idea will pan out. I am going to wait for this candle to close. If waiting on this candle, I may miss this opportunity, and I'm totally fine with that. I'm here right now saying I am totally cool waiting for this. "15-minute pack runner." Who knows? Where will we go? What's up, McNeil? This goes good. Hey Nick, I'm new here. Can you explain to me what the celery play is? Celery is kind of like what you see right now, right? So if this candle here closes very either weak bullish or weak bearish above the range, that's going to be our best. That's our highest probability, our highest winning trade setup, right? So if you break those highs right here on the next candle, you should see a very strong move up. And the thing with that is now you get new stops, right? So once that candle makes a bottom wick, these are your stops, and you don't have to use stops here or here anymore. You can use them right here. It's, you know, you can hit your 1R a lot quicker as well. And this, we should come up to make a top wick on this candle. That's what I would expect. But I'm gonna wait for the higher probability setup here. Green, my man.
Green.
I feel like I got to stretch, but I feel like I can't get a good stretch in right now. Green, what's the good word?
How you doing?
How you doing?
What's up, Green?
Come on, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Is this thing gonna rocket ship over the next 4 minutes, or will it wait? Oh, here comes the rocket ship. What up, Green? How you doing today? How are ya?
How are you, Green? Green, what was for breakfast today?
Green's already on lunch. Breakfast. He's like, I can't even remember breakfast.
Yo, facts, bro. I forgot. You're on like your second meal of the day, right?
Green's the original Don Dada, man. The original.
I'm the original Don Dada.
OG. Yeah, no news at all today, or till 10 at least. It's fire.
opportunity. Don't start that Zoom chat. Yo, Green. Hey, yo.
Breathe air.
Just breathe air.
Green. Got you, Green.
Am I in a buy? No, I'm not. Green's gonna come on Zoom, but it's on Monday. On Monday he'll pull up. All right, 30 closure coming in, and
This big closure.
big close. Yeah, big closure here. You're in the range too, man. You're in the range. Yeah. Yeah, we're in a range here, chat. Right, if I step back and think, forget about a trade right now. What does price action look like? I just see us in a range, to be honest. If I remove all emotion of wanting to get into a trade here, there's nothing. There's nothing. Right, from a logical standpoint, unless you get a new closure below, there's really nothing special going on here. When are we gonna pick a winner from the funded account? We're gonna give away 2 25K challenge accounts today. All you gotta do is like the stream as of right now, and maybe I'll have another task for you later or something to get involved. Massive stops, yeah. There's no trade here for me, chat, in 4 seconds. Nothing. If this thing goes up, awesome. If it goes down, awesome. There's just not much here for me currently. I see why traders don't trade Fridays. Honestly, Fridays are our best days, man. Fridays tend to be our best days. Yeah. TGIF. TGIF. I like Fridays. Hey, me too. Me too. What's up, Jerry Brody? Hey, oh no. It's good, my man. Giveaways before news? Yes, most likely. Yeah, before 10. Yeah. I get more trades and less tech support calls. W. Yeah, typically on Fridays we get 1 or 2 really good trades, and then we kind of just dip off, hit glory to the Father, and have a great weekend. Yeah, have a little party at the end. Gone. What you guys doing this weekend? Anything? Anything? Let me take your attention off of gold for now, so you guys don't get FOMO. What's the good deal for the weekend, eh? What you guys up to? Am I in a trade? Nah, this is not looking too hot for me. Looks like we're in a range. I would say we would probably move up if we continue breaking highs here, and we are obviously bullish on all these other time frames, but yeah. Break of the highs gives you like 19 pips if you even break the high and run, so it's not really worth it for me. Party. Oh. Every day I'm watching your analysis. Very interesting. Awesome. Hope you're learning a little bit. Oh, Nas. What's Nas doing
this is
here?
tough here.
No top wick. 1 hour candle still open. We close bullish. 4 hours still open. 30 minutes left. Daily's bullish. Yeah. 1 hour closing 27 minutes. Yeah, there's no top wick on this 30, and you also closed above the range here. Which range is this? Yeah, nothing for me on Nas. Oh, engagement party? Nice, dude. That should be fun.
Awesome.
Trading crypto? Oh, nice. Fashion show, Sandman? Let's go.
Hey.
There you go, Ben Teasy. Nice, man. Nice. Got to, man. You always got to do that. Gotta date your wife forever, man. A lot of guys get married. You hear them, oh, how's your wife doing? Oh, my old lady. Yeah, she's all right. She's all right. Like, what? What, bro? Yeah, that old hag doing good. Whoa, what, bro?
Damn.
Man, man. Some of you guys, man.
Said she's your wife? Damn.
Gotta treat your lady like your wife, like she's your girlfriend forever. Like you guys first started dating. You know, don't forget about it. Y'all move in together, become roommates. Come on, man. Let's go, men. Going to a wedding? Oh, nice. Field trip. Oh, nice. Hey, who's coming on a field trip next week with us over to ASFX TV? Yeah,
Field
that's
trip.
gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. Speaking of field trips, yeah, get your 7-day free trial. That way you can come hang out. We're gonna do it Tuesday and Wednesday next week. Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah, it's very similar to like a YouTube stream. You guys gonna be there spamming the chat? Can you drop the link? Yes. Maybe one of the mods could help me out there. I forget what the link is. Yeah, it's gonna be fun, man. It's gonna be a good time. The field trip. It's a field trip. Yeah, you may get a top wick here on this candle on Nas. I think it's very smart here to wait for the 4-hour closure. Especially if this candle doesn't have a top. If this candle had a top wick on it, that's a different story, right? Because then you can most likely fill the wick here, retest that support at least. But we've already retested support without that top wick, so now you're most likely gonna come up and flip bullish and create the top wick. What's up, lazy panda? Panda.
Oh, yeah, gold should head down.
Yeah, this is not looking good on gold here.
Oh.
Very confusing. I'm coming from Vietnam. Yo.
We didn't get that push.
What's good?
With that onion stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Where we going? Where we going, gold?
Damn gold.
Later, Ben Teasy. Have a great weekend. Enjoy date night, my man.
Yeah, man. Enjoy.
Ben Teasy. Yeah, nothing. No movement here for NY Open at all. Looking like
Wow.
a couple duds.
It's looking like an early Friday.
So, John, what are you doing this weekend?
Gonna go get a tan now.
It was actually a little chilly out this morning. It was in the 50s.
Yeah, man. I love it. I love it when it's like that.
Me too. Good deep breaths.
Morning
fresh,
and night.
Fresh air.
Yeah.
Stay out the chopper. Yo, we got to get the Arnold Schwarzenegger, dude. Get out the chopper. Stay out the chopper or something. I don't know. Bring out the chopper. Can we get him to say stay out of the chopper? Can we like, TK, can we like get some AI on that? Stay out of the chopper.
No beach for me, Anti up ace. Not today.
No what?
No beach.
Beach. The beach. How many of you guys watch Bluey with your kids? The beach. You guys remember that episode? Yeah, gold's up and down here. Yo, can we get, yeah, maybe I can hit up Uncle Scab, be like, yo, could you send me back a voice message? Stay out of the chop. Yo, you know who Uncle Scalp reminds me of? If you look up on Instagram, I think his name is like The Real Guido or something. He's like, yo, cuzzy. Yo, cuzzy, what is this?
Real Guido.
That's a bacon, egg, and cheese? Yeah, look up The Real Guido. That dude reminds me of Uncle Scalp, man, for some reason.
Bacon, egg, and what?
Bacon, egg, and what? Cuzzy. Hey, chat, remember yesterday, or maybe it was the day before, I was telling you guys about the trade club that I went to?
Yeah. That is so cool.
That's the selling point for me right
That's
there.
right.
This is it. Let me show you guys. Wait, is there an actual video here? Hold on. Yeah, this one right here. This is what I plan on doing with Time to Eat, like in the future, only much bigger than this. This is a smaller, like studio office. But check this out right here. This is where I went. I went one time to go hang out with these traders, and just forget about all the cars and stuff. Just look at this. Oh baby, look at it. Desks on desks on desks. Traders, 8-figure traders, TTE, trade club. Who's down? Who's down?
Hell yeah. Down.
Yeah, we can have all our cars out there too. Yeah, man. This is where they were trading at. They had, I think, like 20-something desks over there. So fire, right? Yeah, man. That's where, that's the vision. Only a much bigger than that.
Sir. Much bigger.
Yeah, man, that's the vision. The vision is to eventually really be able to develop like myself as an 8-figure trader and develop other 8-figure traders, because that's my goal, right? So anywhere I'm going, I want to bring others with me, and I'm going to 8 figures. There's no doubt about it. I don't care if it takes 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. I will be an 8-figure trader. It's something that I want to do. It's something I'm passionate about. I love like learning day in and day out about these candles and this market, and I'm gonna get there, you know, and I'm gonna bring a ton of people with me.
Thanks.
Who's coming with me, man? Who's coming with me? And you know
Damn
what?
gold. I need.
Not even forget about the cars, because if you guys like cars, those will be our cars hanging out in there. We'll pull up, man. We'll pull up to the events. Let the
Hit him
little
up.
kids, hang out in the cars and take pictures in them and all that good stuff.
Sure, dude. It'd be awesome.
Oh, nice bait D. Yeah, nice. Remember, once I made that decision to wait, I'm totally cool with if price wants to run, it wants to run. I know that later on my drive to the gym when I'm thinking, I'm not gonna be like, damn, I should have did that. Oh my god, you know what I mean? It's one of those things where you make up your mind, and that's it. You deal with not the consequences but the results.
Yeah, facts. Because no one at the end of the day or the end of the session wants to be like, oh, I shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? And that all comes from lack of no plan. So you just follow. If you just follow your plan, you'll never have a time where you're like, oh, I shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? We never want to be saying that.
TK's gonna build the PCs. Let's go. Options in the house. Let's go options. That dude's gonna be a trillion figure trader. Let's go. Hey, options. We're rooting for you, bro. We want to see you win, man. We want to see you win big.
Sure.
I like that mindset. 8. We talk about practice. I'm going for a trillionaire. What's up, the Don? The Don is here today. Don Dada, the original Don
I'm
Dada.
the original Don Dada.
Yeah, Jamil, 100%, dude. How you are in life is how you are in a trader, for sure.
BTC, trading and real estate. I'm down, bro. I'm with it. BTC, boys and girls. BTC. Remember those letters. Oh, I love it. Love it, J4 Trades. Love it, love it. Hey, J4 Trades, keep us updated on your account build too, by the way, man. We believe in you, bro. We're rooting for you. We want to see you win and get yourself a payout and do the damn thing, man. Yeah, I want to see you do it. Man, Goldie. Nothing. Can we get Raj on the soundboard too? Nothing.
I'm down. Let's get away from those all-time highs, Gold.
Yeah, let's dip out of here. Why are we up here, Gold?
Take you to a better place.
What are you doing? Yeah, just move down. That's it.
Damn, Gold is confused right now.
We want to take gold buys. I love gold buys, but not right here. I thought the daily was really going to help us out here, but the next daily said, nope, not today, Junior. Like, look what we're trading in right here. You know what I mean? This is like all-time highs. Nas did end up moving, huh? Yeah, no top wick on that candle, though. You had a 1 hour celery. That looked pretty good there. Yeah, 30 and 15 weren't the greatest. 1 hour looked good. 4 hours, sketchy. And gold just playing around. BTC. What up, Farmer Pip? What's up, Billy O'Neill? Is Gold Trader VIP a scam? Holy! Life is a scam, man. Everything moving apart, yeah. Yeah, gold this month has been pretty crazy, man. We started the monthly off with really no top wick, right? No top wick, or the weekly off. The monthly too, right? Monthly started up here, no top wick, gave us no bottom wick. I mean, that's a bit tough. Bit tough. No bottom. 2024, no bottom wick year, I think. What do you guys think? Will we get our range 2 though? It's working on the range 2 right now. See, it was working on the range 2 on the 30. Didn't pan out yet. Price decided to consolidate still. And now it's working on the range 2 here on, I'm sorry, on the 15. Now it's working on the 30. See this? So what is a range 2? It's basically just a break and retest, right? Break, retest, and then the idea to move down. And that's to save you from a fake out, right? That's designed to save us from fake outs when we're going against the 4-hour and the daily bias, which today is bullish, right? So that's why we have range 2 sells below here. What did price do?
And it's a great example today, honestly, because you did get that fake out.
Yeah. Yep. That we did. Hold on, chat. I'll be right back.
Yeah, great example of range 2 here. Wait for that fake out, and then below the fake out, right? That's when we would get on themselves. Yeah, but would really love to see gold bleed here, get away from the all-time highs. Spend the rest of the day doing that. That would be lovely. Yo, what's good, Rafi? What's up, brother? How you doing? How you doing, man? Yeah, man. It's looking like we're starting to create resistance to exhaustion wicks on the 30-minute. If we wanted to go up, we should have, right? At 8:30, so we're rejecting that area now and coming back down. So could see some bearish momentum here. Did anyone take those 8 a.m. buys? Did you guys get out? Yeah, Faxy Gamer, facts. Yeah, Shadow, word. I guess we just want to listen to price action. Price action clearly telling us, you know, giving us clues right now on if it wants to go bearish. Got out of B, nice.
You got out of B too, right, John?
Yeah, I got out of B. Yeah, I took those 8 a.m. buys as well. Got out of BE. Nice, yeah, good stuff, Louis G. Hey, we just need one more push there. one more good push. That's all we needed. Yeah, but gold's obviously confused right now.
Yeah. Guitar bot.
Hey, what's up, Dominic? Oh man, my weekend's gonna be pretty chill, dude. Maybe chill with the brothers.
Rafi in the house. What up, Rafi? Rafi. OGH, yeah, guitar vibes. We got the 4-hour closure too, gang. So look, once this 4-hour closes, right? So we can now begin to shift our bias. So 7 to 9 is over, right? Let's talk about 7 to 9 real quick. We got to the charts from 7 to 9. At that point, this previous 4-hour candle was bullish. We were looking for buys, right? Things just didn't line up for buys up here. We couldn't take these sells because again, our bias was bullish based off of the 7 to 9 idea, right? So we waited for that fake out. We had buy stops set. Price came down, just kind of went too far, right? And began to look a little sketchy. Closed below on the 15, so deleted buy stops, right? Deleted the buy stops. Price came back up a little bit. Didn't really do much, right? 4-hour candle never ended up flipping bullish or moving up there, so we're kind of stuck now, right? We're just kind of stuck in between, you know, this range right here now, right? So this is our range that we're stuck in. What are we doing? We're potentially waiting right now for the 4-hour candle to close. And when the 4-hour candle closes, what do we have? We have a shift in bias now because the 4-hour is now closing bearish, right? So from 9 to 11, right, until our time parts here today, we are going to be now looking at how can we anticipate where the next 4-hour candle will go, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at that 4-hour candle. And let's see what we got. So we got a potential resistance forming here. Not yet, right? There's still 6 minutes left. This candle could close bullish. For all we know, it could break the highs and continue moving up. But if we do close bearish, we now shift our bias, right? Or now I shift my bias from bullish to potentially looking for this candle to create the next candle to create a top wick and move down and fill that wick right there, right? So I'm going to be looking for those potential sells. Now, if we are going to look for those, what are we going to need to see? We're going to need to see, I would say, another wick up for sure, right? And for a 30-minute candle to close below. So next 30-minute from 9 to 9:30, ideally would love to see this candle come up, respect the previous candle wicks, and then close below, right? And then 9:30 should come in, and that's where we should get a pretty solid push if this next 4-hour candle really wants to drive down here following this resistance. So that's the idea. That's the updated kind of bias and analysis. I don't think the ranges change much, but the idea is beginning to shift a little if you know, if this 4-hour candle closes bearish. Cool. Any questions on that? Right, this is something we've been watching for quite some time here, so we are beginning to act on it more and more and more lately, and to be honest, it's working pretty well, right? But we really need to see how this candle closes if we are going to shift that bias there. And you do want to see like a stronger close here, not like a very weak one. Something like right here would be ideal, right? This now begins to get very weak bearish closure, and it doesn't really make the greatest sense now, right? So we need a strong resistance here. One good push. Here it comes, push. Yeah, we'll see. We got 4 minutes left, so we got one more 5-minute candle here and see where we go. 5's been struggling right here too, so
Freaking gold, man.
Goldie. Right, I would expect though, like the next, we'll just wait for a closure and we'll go from there. I don't want to give too many hypotheses. Clear as day. All right, cool. I have a question. How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing?
What up, Bubble? Sounds like an old school muscle car. It looks like you have a muscle car in your image too, actually.
Mobile, you into cars?
Rafi, thumbs up. How's the Bali? How's the day in Bali doing?
Rafi, you spent the day at the beach?
At the beach. Right, is Rafi in Zoom? Rafi in the Zoom
Uh,
room today? Rafi, you here today? Are you in
Let
Zoom?
me go look at Zoom.
Zoom.
Let me go look at Zoom.
Let's see.
Oh, there he is.
He's here?
Yes, sir.
He's here. He's here.
That gorgeous smile, Rafi.
Ooh, time to eat bacon, egg, and cheese. Come on, Daniel. You're going to make me catch a flight to New York.
Yo, we out, bro. Yo, C Melly, what's up, brother? Great for you too, bro.
I'm going to look at flights, honestly.
Dude, coming, I'm coming, bro. We'll be in and out. You'll be in and out.
Rafi up.
Go see Green.
Green, you going to have a bacon, egg, and cheese with me? Salt, pepper, ketchup? Actually, I like getting that hash brown on my bacon, egg, and cheese. Ooh, wait. Rafi in the house.
Yo.
What's
Rafi.
going on, Nick?
How you doing?
What's going on, John? What's going on, chat? Bro, I'm
Rafi.
doing amazing. Amazing. How about you guys?
Fantastic, brother. Honestly.
Amazing as well, dude.
Friday, we lit.
Let's get this volume
Great
going.
for another day.
Trying to get some volume going. Maybe,
Yeah,
maybe we
bro.
should blow
Like I
on
was
the chart.
looking,
Let's give it a
Go get
little.
Lele.
I was looking for these sales early today, and he just didn't even do that. Like I missed that buys on. Like I feel like a lot of people just ate today on that move, on that buys. London.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
this.
that's
as
where the
of
move
right
was.
Now that was the move of the day right here.
Yeah.
All TT members
Yeah.
should have caught that who were trading this session.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good one. Was the 4-hour bullish at that point? Yes, it was. Yeah, that was great.
It's a good move. I actually was like, yo, we had like eyes like where are we gonna go to? I was interested to see for sales.
Yeah. Yeah,
There's
for
some
sure.
balance underneath, and I was like, maybe we get a little sell before we go back up, but didn't do that. Did the opposite.
Yep. Yes, it did. Oh man, it's sketchy here. 34 seconds left. 34 seconds. Yeah, we do need Lele. We need to bring Lele out. Should I go wake her up?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Wake up!
Wake up, Lele.
Just start shaking her. Get up, honey. We need some volume. Hey, yeah, Rafi got the gold. Hey, you guys see my new thumbnail? I got some gold bars. I got some gold bars behind me
Hey.
now, too. Me and Rafi in the
Let's get
safe.
it.
Where the cash at? Where the cash at? All right.
Yeah, sure.
We did get a closure. It is a bearish closure. So, yeah, once you get you got a bearish bullish closure, right? I think we need to still close below the range here. The ranges don't really change up too much. But the idea will now, right? So you gotta, let's just do a top-down analysis now, right? So you do have a 4-hour close. This 4-hour candle right here did not break. Notice how the highs have not broke, right? So this could be a potential sellery play, because remember I was telling you guys about the size of this 4-hour candle. It didn't close that strong, right? That doesn't look like a strong closure to me. Something like this, okay, yes. A little bit stronger. So this can still break the highs here, and if it does, it's gonna go to, who knows where. So the only way we really have sells here is if we can respect the highs there, right? And then get yourself a closure, I would say, looking at the 1 hour. If you're waiting on the 1 hour, you need a close below here. If you're waiting on the 30-minute, we're going to need a closure below right here. Unless what happens, chat, is we come up to these highs and we do a fake out, right? So if we come up to the high right here, don't break the high, fake out on the 15-minute time frame or the 30-minute, then there may be, just maybe, an opportunity for us to wait for a resistance right here and take sells coming down. Just like this, right? Let's say this candle comes up. It's also got no bottom wick, by the way, right? We can anticipate the next candle keeping our stops above all these highs here, and then the next candle driving down, doing something like this, right? We're probably gonna want to give that candle a bottom wick, as you can see, right? So bottom wick, and then somewhere into this rejection zone, and then if we push through, we push through. If not, this is where we're gonna reject to move, move back up there. So that is the idea here for me. That's the trade idea. That's what I'm gonna be looking for. If not, then I'm gonna look to capitalize on the closure below, right, and take sells coming down. So that's it. That's the trade idea. If you guys notice, last time we came up into that range, we closed bearish, forming a resistance, right? Price moved down. Same thing here, form resistance, price moved down. So if we can get that to happen right here, then the sells look pretty good. If not, we need a turnaround here and a closure below. So more so something like this. Boom. Exhaustion wick. Right, and then we could take sells now coming down. And that's the idea. That's the plan. So potential fake outs for potential fake outs for sells or sells below here. Boom. Simple, right, Rafi? Just keep it simple.
The only way, brother.
That's all you gotta do. Don't think too
Simple.
much. One hour also closed below last support. 1 hour, yes, exactly. So the 1 hour, so look, candles are still closed. That's a good point. Candles are still closing below support right here, right? So even though they're moving up, right? They're moving up. They're still closing below that area. So yes, great point there. Which time frame are we on? Right now we're on the 1 hour. This is the 30 minute, and then this is the 15. We're on all of them, baby. We got them all tracked. We ain't letting one time frame get by here.
You're getting all the information, gathering it all.
Yeah, these are my time frames up here, chat. I know some of you guys are new. You see me bounce from time frame to time frame. Your head is probably spinning, right? Because that's kind of like how I felt in the beginning. But don't worry if you can't, move through these time frames so quickly and understand everything so fast. And my apologies if I do this like quick. It's just I've literally been doing this now for like 5 years, so it's almost like second nature. But if you do have questions, don't be afraid to ask. Bring out the whole ocean. Damn, we haven't played that one in a while.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
That's what I was gonna say. Wake the whole house up.
Wake up
the whole
the
volume, everybody.
Bring out all the kids.
Yeah.
Alea, Maverick, Kingston, let's go. March, left, right.
Yo. Time to eat.
Start marching. Got a buy stop set about 30 minute. Nice. Yeah, you had this like 30-minute seller here. One, two, three.
Goldie tap target.
Yeah, that's it. That's the target. So if we can get a fake out or something there, that'd be great. Doing spontaneous. Stupendous, not spontaneous. Okay, ante up. Let's get it. All right, so that's our 4 hour top wick there, chat, right? That could potentially be our 4 hour top wick. See how we never broke the high here? Never broke these highs, This is where you may begin. We also don't have the bottom wick. So the idea, there's two ideas here, right? It's either price moves up, closes up there, give us a resistance up here, or we come back down and, close below here on the 30-minute time frame now. Yeah, otherwise we just bounce around the range, right? Because the 30-minute can go down, right? But then just kind of like do something like this and then close just doji, at the end of it. So until we get out of the range, we either have to sell from above the range or below the range now. I'm sorry, we have to sell from the top of the range, not above it, or below. Otherwise, it's like you're back in this nasty wick area. You guys do scalping? We do a little scalping.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, yesterday was a true scalp, man. Yesterday we literally waited 3 hours for a 1 minute trade. 1 minute.
facts.
How big was the trade? 1 minute.
Literally 1 minute. It was on the 15-minute time frame.
Quickest trade of the year.
It may have been. The quickest
That's crazy.
trade, I forget what the quickest trade is. I forget what date it was. I have it on my Instagram reel though. That was on the 15-minute yesterday, right? Yeah, right here. 15 resistance, and then this was our trade right here. Literally, let's go to the 1 minute chart. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Isn't there a box or something to do the rectangle at? Let's just leave it there. Oh, where is it? How many minutes ago was that, chat?
How many minutes ago was what?
Was our last trade?
Dude.
Where's that marker? I put the marker there. Damn, I don't know if we can get to it. Alright. Yeah, no, it was like a minute. It was like a minute. In and out. How many minutes ago was that trade? Oh, here's our bottom wick on the 1 hour. Oh, the giveaway, that's right. Yeah, all you gotta do is like the stream, chat. Give a stream a like and sub to the channel, and you're gonna have opportunity. You're gonna have 2 shots today to win a 25K challenge account from Top One. Top One.
Hey, 25K, let's go.
Yeah. Shout out to Top One giving us accounts to give away for traders to, I don't know, get a head start, man. Give them some opportunity. If the 4 hour candle breaks the previous high, yes, I will switch to buys, but the thing that's unique about this current day, in this current time, in this current situation, is that if we do break those highs, there's no other highs over here. There's no other ranges, nothing that we can really base a trade off of. So it begins to get tough, you know, and most times that happens, I'll just let price let it go wherever it wants to go. Yeah, it's tough to trade on the break of these highs because you don't know where we're going. W Top One. Hey, we're going to create a Top One channel in the Discord too. So if you guys have celebrations or exciting things happening with your Top One accounts, or if you guys have questions, concerns with your Top One accounts, we're going to try and get one of their customer support in there, or somebody from Top One to in a way monitor and keep an eye on that chat or that channel. So that way, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, you guys can go right in there and be able to, you know, share. Yeah, the play may come at 10 a.m. here because we do have news coming in. Red folder news at 10 a.m. Let's go ahead and look at that. Yeah, 10 a.m. right here. You got the prelims coming in. So we may be holding up for that as well. You got an earthquake, Bali? I mean, not Bali, Rafi.
No, that's what Magnifico was talking. I didn't feel it. I felt before some, bro. Like I was at a meditation retreat one day, and the whole thing was started shaking. I was like, am I just like levitating right now? Like what's happening? And
the instructor's
literally,
like, don't break your meditation. Do not break it. Focus.
No,
like, why
bro,
is the
like
ground
it
shaking?
was, and the thing is, like, it was like the place was near the water, and I just felt it. I was like, what is happening? And like, I literally just opened, and everybody was just looking. So like, it was real. Everybody was talking about it. And then one other time, I think it was last year. It was like 4. I think it was 4 or something, bro. Like I was here on the desk and the computer, just like everything. I was like, what is happening right now? It was pretty intense. But I didn't feel this one last night. Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking, man, that the mountains are like crumbling down, rocks are falling down. The meditation instructor's like, focus on your breath. The ground split.
You feel the tsunami coming in, and he's like, you're gonna be fine.
It's just a distraction. Your mind.
Go to a nice place.
It's all an illusion. It's an illusion. You see, like the thing.
It's an illusion. Rafi gonna hit you guys on the next boot camp with some like earthquake going on. You got like focus, focus. Oh man.
Well, I kind of did a little bit with that, like with the music that one time. It was kind of like jungly and stuff.
Yeah. It was meant to distract you.
Next. Yeah, no, that's why I did it. Next time I'm gonna bring something different.
Yeah. Alrighty. So 4-hour top wick has been in place. Now this 1-hour candle's working, 30-minute candle's working, 15-minute candle's gonna close here in 1 minute, but it looks like we're closing back in the chop. So notice how we're not closing above or below this range here now. So this is our range, and this may be the range that we play in until news comes out. Yeah. Yep. Sheesh, Bali doesn't.
You know, there was a movie, bro. There was a movie on. There was like a tsunami over here that killed a bunch of people.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they say that we are kind of like on a fire line, like a red line. How do you call that? Like danger
like
zone or something?
Line or something?
Something like that, because there's so much energetics here.
Fault line.
That, that if one of those earthquakes, get out of hand, like water could probably.
Oh yeah.
It will destroy everything.
Yeah.
There's a movie, I can't remember the name of it, and it was based out of, I can't remember the years. I'll look it up and I'll send it to you. It was crazy.
Yeah, that's. I was gonna say, wouldn't Bali be more like prone to have a tsunami versus like an earthquake? But I don't know. Maybe both. Tell Rafi he's quaking. the earthquake comes, Rafi gonna be quaking. The instructor's gonna be like, I'm dealing with a bunch of Quakers here. Yeah, no,
bro, I thought about it. Like, okay, so I got the beach, 200 meters.
Wow.
Like literally down here.
That's true. Right out your backyard, right? Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like I'm gonna need like a Lambo to get out of here.
You're gonna need a helicopter, dude. Heli's gonna come pick you up.
I'm gonna like have to build like a basement or something.
Yeah, nah, that's true. Do they have bunkers? A lot of people have like bunkers under there, like underground stuff, or not? Nah, right?
Not that I've seen. Nah, that's not a thing here.
Yeah, water will sit down in there. Yeah. I think you want to build up, if anything.
Bunker would be sick.
Yeah. Pacific Ring of Fire. I think that's the right thing, Thomas. I think that's what the name is. It's like very dangerous zone when it comes to that kind of stuff, like the tsunami and stuff.
What's it called?
Pacific Ring of Fire.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. A Lambo.
When's rainy season for you? Is it in the summer?
It's supposed to summer for who? For you or
for you? No, for you.
Yeah, so like starts in like October and it gets done around February, March.
Gotcha.
But this year was kind of off. Didn't really rain while I was gone, and it rained in January. Now like stopped raining, and yeah, I think it's done now.
Gotcha.
The movie's called Impossible.
Oh, I've seen that one. I've seen that in school before.
Oh yeah.
It's a really good movie.
Oh wow. I'll have
Which
to check
one?
it out. The one that you're talking about.
Possible.
Hold on.
Or San
Bro,
Andreas.
like no. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you.
Oh yeah, we are actually ignoring. Rafi is in a bunker right now. What are we talking about? Hey Rafi, you got a bunker?
Facts.
He's like, nah, I don't think anyone has those over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some of that gold though.
Yeah, the movie is called The Impossible.
They or the?
The
THE?
Impossible or The Impossible. The Impossible. THE. Yeah,
Okay.
The Impossible. Like 170,000 people were lost.
Yeah, that
or
movie
something.
was crazy with Tom Holland, right?
I haven't seen it, to be honest. Like people
Okay.
have like I came here and people were talking about it. I haven't seen it. I saw like the previews and stuff, and it looks pretty legit. But I don't really watch movies, bro. So like, kind of would like to see it, but I haven't.
Yeah, I'll check it out. I watched The Big Short yesterday. It was a pretty good movie.
Oh yeah. How was that?
It was good. I liked it. I did like it. It's crazy, man. Crazy. These guys knew it was coming, but I don't think they were able to time it perfectly.
They missed
that
out
was
on
crazy back then, man. That when pretty much anyone was able to get a house. You get a house. You get a house. You get a house, man. I forget what law. I think Bill Clinton passed that law or something, right? It was like you can. It made it so easy to just get a mortgage. Yeah, that was the first movie I watched in a long time. I was looking to potentially. I seen the movie Noah. Who's seen the movie Noah? Is it worth me watching it, or did Hollywood destroy it? Let me know.
I never seen that one.
Oh, you guys liked it? Oh, Hollywood wrecked it. It was good. 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 I'll take a look. I'll give it a watch. Yeah, I wanted to see the Moses. I seen the Moses one on Netflix. Where's all my Bible scholars out there? How did we do? Too modified?
It looks interesting. I would like to watch that.
Ding dong. Instagram? Yeah. Instagram, yeah, I got IG, of course. Let me pull it up here for you. Yeah, it's my IG right here, chat. That's it. Just right here. Yeah, give me a follow on IG. We are growing the IG page. Pretty swell. Pretty swell. You may see some fake pages of me, but this is the only real one I got right here.
Yeah, chat, by the way, somebody text you saying that I want your BTC. Nah, not me either. I guess somebody here, I think somebody was like, yeah, can you give me some BTC? I'm like, nah, bro. I'm not going to be asking for BTC.
I already got my own.
Nah.
I don't want yours.
Yeah. Exactly.
That's Rafi_2. Don't get him.
Oh, do you know what I'm talking about?
Nah, I was just guessing.
No, seriously, bro. It's like
It's Rafi_2,
like
like literally.
underscore at the end.
Wow.
Like somebody was like, "Yo, is this you?" I'm like, "Oh gosh, here we go, another one." I'm like, this page is
Here we go
new too.
again.
You know, it's like people don't waste time, bro.
Yeah,
Another
bro.
one.
Facts.
They hit you with
Like-
another one. Another one.
I
Yeah,
know.
fact.
I know.
Don't get scammed, y'all.
Yeah. Go with Tona, bring me my money.
If you have any extra, any leftovers?
Any extra BTC?
That's funny. Tell him, yeah, I got you. I got you. Just leave him hanging. Tell him, just wait on it. Just wait on it. It's coming. It's coming.
Looking like
Just
a
wait
gorgeous
on it.
day today, Nick.
Just wait on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What'd you say?
So it looks like a gorgeous day today.
That it
It's gonna be
does.
gorgeous.
Almost 70 degrees. Lovely.
Sunny all day. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Hit him with the bruh. Hey, how's your trading going?
Bruh.
Bruh.
Bruh, 3 dots.
Yeah, just hit him with the
How about that
bruh,
guy that?
and you give him 3 dots. That's it.
Yo, this guy, Nick Stewart also. Hey, bro, how's your trading going? I started playing with him. Like, man, I'm struggling, bro.
Yeah.
I'm struggling.
You got anything? You got anything that can help me out?
Yeah.
I don't have cash, man.
Nah,
All I got
never
is
got that.
Bitcoin. You take any of that? I only got Bitcoin though, sir. No cash. Do you take Bitcoin? Oh, I'm glad you asked. Absolutely, we take Bitcoin over here at TTE University. All right.
Here's my wallet.
Here's my wallet. All right, man. Yeah, a little boring these last couple 30-minute candles here. Not really any action. About an hour or so ago, hour and a half, we set potential buy stops and sell stops, and price just been, bouncing back and forth here. So 9:30 is approaching in how long? 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes. So we'll see where we're at, and then we got news coming in 30 minutes.
I guess gold didn't like me today because it wants to drive up when I'm not in.
I guess so.
Crazy.
He said, no, not yet. Not yet. Stay out the chopper. Yeah, what'd you guys do today, chat? Did you guys take any trades? Talk to me. Since Asian session last night. What are you guys looking like? Two for 2, 0 for 2, 2 for 1
Yeah, bro.
for 2.
Just one BE trade. Gave it a shot at 8 a.m.
Nice. What about you, Rafi?
Yeah, I took a sale. It was like I was actually talking to Miko on messages. I was like, bro, I'm looking for these sales, and I got on that, but I got a BE as well. Oh, well, as in 2 pips. Like that's my BE. My BE is always 2 pips.
Yeah.
So I actually banked 2 pips.
Two
Gotcha.
pips. Let's go.
I've been looking for sales all day, bro.
I feel you.
Word.
Let's see what chat did. 1 break even.
Nick, what about
1
you?
win.
No,
I got nothing.
none?
I got only what you guys see me do. Yeah, just set the orders, but deleted them. 1 for 1, nice. US 30 sell right now, nice Shelly. No trades since
Go.
Asian. Miko the Young G, yeah, Young G. No trades for the week. Oh, Bait D being patient, baby. Patient, baby. I'm in the middle of one right now, currently in profit, waiting for 9:30. Very good. Took a buy stop on 30-minute. Nice. 1 break even, 1 win. Nice job, guys. Nice job limiting your trades. I feel like if we would have asked this question a couple of months back, the numbers would be much different. You guys would be like 8 wins, 11 losses. 19 trades today. So the fact that you guys are sitting at 2, 3, 4 trades, it shows you guys are being disciplined, waiting for the best setups, which is good. which is good. I have a doubt in the celery play. Which is the best stop loss placements? Previous or current? With this, so usually current candle is good enough for the celery, especially if you actually do make that low. Sometimes the celery play won't even give you that low. So if you do make the low, then like this is kind of a celery play, but like if we drew a fresh one and it looked something like this, boom, right, boom. So you have a couple options to use as stops. If you don't get a bottom wick, right, if just blast off, then obviously I think this is going to be your best stop loss. If you do get a stop, if you do get a bottom wick, then I think this is good enough, right? Because if you go ahead and break that high now, it's pretty much, and if it comes down to break it slow again, it's not going to work, right? So you can keep your stop right there. It has no business re-breaking its own low if it breaks that high. So it's up to you. Sample size it, feel it out. You got 3 options, you know, and now it's kind of going to be on you to say, hey, which one is best in which situations and which scenarios, and that's just going to take chart time. You know, you develop that over time. But yeah, in my opinion, if it looks very similar to this and you're entering right there on the break of that high, then this stop loss is sufficient. Sugar bear gone? Sure. No one took an L today, huh? No L's. 0 trades today? Bull, 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 bull. Actually, Dylan, I actually never read that book, Naked Forex. Actually, me and Green bought those 2 books together, and he took Naked Forex. I took Trading in the Zone, and yeah, we never we never switched.
70 trades yesterday. Dang.
Yeah, just 1 trade yesterday.
70 trades.
7 trades? Oh wow. Okay.
70.
70. Holy.
Yeah.
Well, damn.